This Christmas, transform your dinner table with these show-stopping centerpieces in the form of Christmas wreath breads. They are so beautiful and also packed with some unexpected vegetarian fillings that are sure to wow your guests. If you or your loved ones are vegetarian, you will understand how challenging it is to find tasty, festive, and meat-free recipes that are capable of being the stars of the show. Being vegetarian should not mean that you miss out on all the festive fun by ending up with the same old recycled recipes year after year. It is possible to create amazing vegetarian dishes with a little creativity and inspiration. So, if you want a new and inspiring festive recipe, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn some basic pizza dough into Christmas wreath breads that both look and taste divine, starting with this pizza flavor. For the pizza sauce, I am using some concentrated tomato puree and adding a tiny bit of water to help make it more spreadable. For flavor, I am adding in some salt, black pepper powder, paprika powder, dried mixed herbs, and a touch of sugar. I am mixing it well and leaving it to the side. Next, I am grating some mild cheddar cheese. For toppings, I am chopping up a red pepper, I have taken some frozen sweet corn, and I am also chopping a few black olives from a jar. Once the toppings are ready, I am taking 1/3 of the pizza dough and rolling it out into a large rectangular shape on a lightly floured surface. When the dough is rolled out, I am taking the pizza sauce and spreading it all over the surface of the dough. Next, I am sprinkling on the cheese, followed by the rest of the toppings. To form the Christmas wreath shape, I start rolling the dough on one of the longer edges to make a long log shape. Then I am pinching the dough to seal the edges closed. After giving the log a gentle roll to even it out, I am going to split the log in half with a knife as shown. Then I am twisting the two halves over each other along the whole length to create a braided effect. Lastly, I am joining the two ends of the braid together to form a circular wreath shape. Now I'm going to transfer this to a greased baking tray while I prepare my second savoury wreath. The second wreath bread has a lovely Moorish cream cheese filling. To make this filling, I am taking a 200 grams tub of cream cheese in a bowl. adding in some of the leftover chopped peppers and frozen sweet corn, as well as some dried mixed herbs and salt. Once mixed together, I'm going to leave this on the side while I roll out the second portion of the pizza dough just like before. When the dough is rolled out into a large rectangular shape, I'm spreading on the tasty cream cheese filling evenly over the top. Then I am rolling the dough into a long log, sealing the edges and then giving the log a gentle roll before splitting the log into two halves just like before. Again, I am twisting the halves over each other along the whole length to create a braid. Then I'm joining the ends together to form my second wreath. And here are both of my savoury wreaths ready to go into a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for about 20 minutes. While the savoury wreaths are baking, let me show you the third sweet wreath bread with a delicious chocolate filling. Again, I am starting by rolling out my last portion of dough into a large rectangle. For this sweet chocolatey filling, I am spreading on some Nutella, then topping it off with some white and dark chocolate chips. Just like before, I am rolling the dough into a log, splitting it in half, creating a braid, and joining it together to form the wreath shape. And just like that, my first two wreaths are ready to come out of the oven. Don't they look too good to eat? Now time to bake off my last sweet wreath. And it's ready, and looks absolutely stunning if I say so myself. And there they are, 3 delicious Christmas wreath breads, perfect for sharing with loved ones this Christmas. Now let me cut into them and show you how amazing they look inside. these breads this Christmas. I would love to hear how they turned out for you in the comments down below. And I hope you all have a lovely Christmas full of great company and tasty food.